Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you another one skillet recipe. This is very easy and there's only a few ingredients that we're gonna be using. So let's get started. This is a chicken. I'm gonna be using chicken meat on here and couscous and other stuff. So let's get started. So for this recipe everyone, I'll be using 1 medium onions that I just sliced thinly, 4 cloves of garlic, and I have 3 tablespoons of oil, and then I have some mushroom. If you don't have this kind of mushroom, it's perfectly fine. You can use the regular mushroom. Then I have some cilantro and about 2 cups of pumpkin flour or squash flour. This is actually canned everyone, and I just rinse this one and drain. And then some couscous. This is about 3/4 cup of couscous. This is the fruity flavor. And then 3/4 to 1 pound of chicken. So this is about 1 pound of chicken right here. This is the chicken fajita. And then we're gonna need about 1 cup of water as well. So let's get started cooking everyone. For everyone, in this skillet, I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil. So I'm just using the vegetable oil. Alright, now I'm gonna add my garlic and my onions. I'm just gonna mix this and let this saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just watch for the onions, that way it will not burn. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave that alone for now. And then once it's ready, I'm gonna add my chicken. Alright everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken. So this is gonna be a 1 skillet, so I'm gonna add everything on this after I let this chicken and onion saute for a little bit. So now I'm gonna season this with some garlic salt. Alright, now I'm gonna add some black pepper. I'm gonna let this saute for another 4 minutes and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. Alright everyone, I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna add the couscous, the cilantro, and then the pumpkin flour, and then my mushroom. Now I'm gonna add water. So I'm adding about 1 cup of water.